Sanju Verma, I want to bring you in because, one can debate ad nauseum on, oh, it's terrible, it's happened, it's unprecedented, moving a privilege motion against, moving a no confidence motion against the speaker. But Sanju Verma, if you break it down, let's look at the charges that have been leveled by the opposition. Opposition women MPs allege that the speaker constantly allows defamatory comments made against women MPs to go on record. Now that is disparaging and damaging. Number two, Sanju Verma, which was a point that was made by Divya Maderna as well. If either the speaker comes out and denies the fact that he never forewarned the Prime Minister of a possible attack on the Prime Minister inside the Parliament because the charge is grave. And if at all that is true, then instead of politically milking it, one needs to register an FIR and follow the legal course because that's a big, big charge.
Preeti, you've raised some very valid points, and let me just answer, everything very pointedly. First and foremost, what is good for the goose should be good for the gander. Mr. Ansari is right. But Pali, sir, do haath se bachti hai. The speaker has invited the opposition for dialogue, but the opposition believes in my way or the highway. My way or the highway nahi chalega, point number one. Point number two, inflation, unemployment, Adani, Manipur, Ram Mandir, Pegasus, PAA, Waqf, Article 370, SIR, vote chori. On all these issues, the government was willing for a discussion, but Rahul Gandhi was MIA, missing in action. Point number three, do you remember last year in Darbhanga, all opposition senior leaders were present ahead of Bihar Assembly election and naare lagaye gaye. Modi teri kabar khudegi. Modi teri maa ki to kabar khud chuki hai. Not a single opposition leader came out and condemned these incendiary statements. Just 1 month back, in JNU, slogans were raised. Modi teri kabar khudegi, Amit Shah JNU ki dharti par teri kabar khudegi. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra, who have an opinion on everything under the sun, they consume Fevicol in wholesale. And I remember that on the 5th of January 2022, when Prime Minister Modi's cavalcade near the Bhatinda flyover was compromised, the then Congress Chief Minister of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Channi, said, अरे मोदी की जान को कोई खतरा नहीं है, ये तो नौटंकी है, ये तो ड्रामेबाजी है. जब मोदी जी की जान को खतरा होता है, you term that as नौटंकी and ड्रामेबाजी. Imran Masood made the boti comment. He was rewarded with a ticket to Saharanpur and he's the sitting MP from Lok Sabha Saharanpur. And I want to tell Divya Maderna one thing. Today we have given employment to more than 18 crore people in the last 11 years. Today, India is the world's 4th largest economy. Today, the average inflation rate is 1.3%. Debate पर आने से पहले पढ़ लिख कर आया कीजिए. Don't just blabber whatever is given to you by way of a so-called.
Okay. But, but Sanju Verma, it cuts both ways. It cuts both ways. People have been rewarded, even in your own party. There are examples of Ramesh Biduri ji, who after saying what he did on the floor of the parliament was awarded with a ticket to fight an election. So let's, it cuts both ways in politics. Divya Maderna, I want to bring you back into this conversation. There was a point that Sanju Verma had raised, which you, in fact, raised in your submission as well. And that is, why not a discussion on General Narawane's book? The fact is, what is being contended today, that the LOP, this is by the Treasury benches and the government, that the LOP is given chance to speak, but he doesn't adhere to rules. Rules would demand that you cannot quote context out of unpublished material and content. Now, General Narawane has come out and said, my book was never published. Ma'am, can you hear me?
I can hear you now, Preeti.
Ms. Maderna, can you hear me?
No, it's gone.
All right, my question is very clear because you say that the opposition is not allowed, leader of opposition is not allowed to speak. Now, the government says he's allowed to speak, but he has to follow rules. In the context of General Narawane's book, now it seems General Narawane has come out and said that his book was never published. So this is against the rule in Parliament to quote content out of context of unpublished material.
It was also published in a magazine, excerpt that he was reading it out from. It's always available on the Amazon, Mr. Gandhi. Mr. Gandhi did show that book in the premises of the parliament.
Go ahead,
But here
go ahead.
is, Preeti, it can't be my rules and your rules. So there are different rules for the BJP and there's different rules for the opposition. That's how now it's not going to work out. You know, we need a healthy debate here. Nishikant Dubey is allowed to carry a full bag of books and derogatory comments for 2 prime ministers. That is okay. But if Rahul Gandhi ji wants to ask the questions regarding serious border issues, security issues of this nation, then that's not called for. Then the laws happen to change. My colleague here on this panel, Sanju Verma, was saying that you must read and come. Well, you will not be able to judge me what I read and come. But what about the 45% unemployment rate that's gone highest so far? But we're not going to talk about it. When we talk about budget, it is people's money. It should be discussed. Why can't we discuss the budget here? Nishikant Dubey should be allowed to speak, and Rahul Gandhi should not be allowed to speak. So we are here. You wanted, and she was saying that we had series of topics that she said we have all debated on. Well, let me tell you, Priyanka Gandhi ji had said that they wanted a condition that they had kept, that Vande Mataram pe debate hum tab karayenge, aap usko maniye, tab hum chunav sudhar par debate karayenge. आप ना barter system करना चाहते हैं पार्लियामेंट में, हम कोई narrative set करना चाहते हैं, बीजेपी एक narrative set करना चाहती है, उसके according अगर opposition play करेगी तो it's okay, otherwise it's my way or the highway. So I think the parliament is lodger jam. The PM is hiding behind the speaker. The speaker is playing out the BJP agenda. I think the amount of money that's been spent to run the parliament, it is important to discuss the cost of living, unemployment. It is important to discuss जनता के मुद्दों से हमें discuss करना पड़ेगा जो जनता को.
Ma'am, your time is up. I appreciate all 3 of you for joining us. Thank you for taking the time out.